Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth related issues. Bluetooth is not working, not connecting or pairing, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select general management. Go down, select reset. Go down. So here we can see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this option, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. Done. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. So this way, after this reset operation, we can go back and check Bluetooth. We can try to pair one Bluetooth device. That should work. So this way, by resetting Bluetooth settings, we should be able to fix all Bluetooth related issues. So please check it.